If you've ever felt like you're competing with people that are way more experienced than you, come, let's talk. It's frustrating and not very easy when you look at your same people in your field but are like years ahead of you. That feeling can be very frustrating. But I'm here to let you know that as much as we all believe and know that experience is power, but it's not everything. So the next question you have for me is, so what sets me apart if I'm not having all that experience that the whole world is looking for? I would say is your uniqueness, your creativity, who you are. Like I said in my previous video, your ability to solve problems is a very strong skill that whether you're new in the field or you are years old in the field, everybody would look for such skills and ability. So now that you know this, what next? Focus on your strength, what you know you're good at and what you know you can bring to the table whenever you are in any kind of community, meeting, gathering, office space or workspace. Focus on what you can bring to the table, what you know you're good at and you can do so well and do it so well. What would you do? You would ask your ability to learn very fast, be willing to learn through whatever process you are in, learn from the experts, be willing to give all you've got and solve problems. Even the experts themselves will be very happy to work with you and they respect skills like this. So the next time you're not feeling experienced enough for a job, so you should remember that the journey is not about when you started. It's about how far you're willing to go and how much value you've been adding with every step of the way. Please like, share, and save my video and follow for more tips.